There is no doubt that COVID's had a big impact on our lives. There are many people feeling anxious, uncertain, insecure about themselves and their future. My name is Yildiz, and I run the International School of Hypnotherapy for Personal and Systemic Solutions. And I assist people in transforming their lives on a daily basis. And I am offering you a diploma so that you can do the same. What a difference it would make if there were more of us able to make a real difference in people's lives. Now, the diploma is online. So the teaching takes place. You see the demonstrations, you're able to ask questions, and then you go into breakout groups where you can practice on each other, improve your skills and your confidence, as well as receive lots of help for your own personal issues. So at the end, you can come out of this feeling clear and confident about what you're doing. In addition, in the diploma, we add a business section, how to set up your business, and ongoing support. And so that you are really ready for what you do. So please look us up if you're interested in transforming your own life, making your own future successful and more certain. brisbanehypnotherapy.com. Hopefully see you soon.